Guess what, guys? Another new broker had just appeared in Singapore, and this time it is ProsperUs. Competition is heating up, So in this video, we will be doing what we always do, and that is go through the broker to see what it is like, compare its fees and features to see if it's good or not, and finally, what sign-up gifts can you get this time? Alright, let's jump right in. Okay, a quick intro about ProsperUs. ProsperUs was founded in November 2020 with the goal of helping millennials to invest. But while ProsperUs may be a new name to many of us, the companies behind it are not. It is founded by the CGS-CIMB group, a 75-25 joint venture between China Galaxy International Financial Holdings and CIMB Group. Now, even though ProsperUs is new to the game, the impressive thing about them is that they are offering a wide selection of markets and instruments for you to trade in. For the markets, there's the usual US, Hong Kong, China, and Singapore markets. Besides that, they also have the UK market. This is good because we can buy Ireland domiciled ETFs here to save on taxes. Or if you like trading Malaysian stocks, there's also the Malaysian market. As for instruments, there's equities, bonds, and ETFs, which is more than enough for most of us. But if you are a pro investor, they also have mutual funds, CFD, forex, futures, options, and crypto FX. Okay, enough of the introduction. Let's compare ProsperUs fees to other low-cost brokers to see if it's worth using or not. For the US market, ProsperUs charges a fixed $5 fee. So it doesn't matter how many shares you are trading, you trade 1 share, 1,000 shares, 1 million shares, it's still $5. However, when compared to other brokers, ProsperUs has the highest fee for the US market. Obviously, nothing will beat Webull and TD Ameritrade's $0 commission trading fee. But other than these two, Interactive Broker's 35 cents minimum fee is super cheap. Or if you are trading a lot of shares, Moomoo Singapore is offering a much cheaper 99 cents fixed fee. Next, Singapore market. Here, I have to explain something first. ProsperUs have 3 pricing tiers. The higher your account value, the higher your tier. For the Singapore market, the fee ranges from 0.1% to 0.06%. So at the 2 lowest tiers, the pricing of 0.1% and 0.08% loses to other platforms who are all charging a lower fee. Then at the highest tier, ProsperUs' 0.06% fee is actually on par with other platforms like Moomoo Singapore, Tiger Brokers, and Safe Trade. But because ProsperUs doesn't have a minimum fee, if you are just trading a small amount or 3,300 SGD, ProsperUs would be the cheapest. Next, Hong Kong market. For this, there's nothing much to compare. Even at the cheapest 0.08% fee, ProsperUs loses to all the other brokers who are charging between 0.03% to 0.06%. Same for the China market. ProsperUs has the highest fee here. For the London market, ProsperUs starting 0.1% fee is on par with IBKR, but it loses to IBKR because it has a high $9 minimum fee. But for the 2 highest tiers, if you are trading a large amount of shares, like $9,000 worth of share, ProsperUs would be cheaper because of their lower fee. For the Malaysian market, ProsperUs is the only platform offering it, so there's nothing to compare to. For US options, ProsperUs is again the most expensive platform. And for margin interest, ProsperUs uses the prevailing rate for the country, plus 3.75%. Unfortunately, their margin interest rates are quite high too. Quick pause. If you still have not signed up to Trust Bank yet, here are 3 reasons to do so. And no, it's not about the 21% savings on their card and 2.5% interest on their savings account. Those are pretty meh. Instead, it's these 3 things. 1, they have some amazing deals every now and then, like a 10% discount off Agoda bookings, 20% off ASICS items, or a 50% discount for a Burger King combo. 2, the Trust card doesn't charge any foreign transaction fee, which means this is a super good card to use for your overseas spends and ATM withdrawals. And third, sign up rewards. If you sign up with my code, you will earn $10 worth of NTUC Fair Price voucher and another $25 Fair Price voucher when you spend with the Trust card. This deal ends on 31st May. So chop sign up if you still have not done so already. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Next, currency conversion rates on ProsperUs. For SGD to USD, ProsperUs had the lowest rate. And for SGD to Hong Kong dollars, even though Usmart had the lowest rate, ProsperUs rate was almost as low as theirs. But besides that, I also want to point out something important. So what happened was, when I was testing this out, I was using the Singapore dollar account to buy US stocks. So because I was using the Singapore dollar account, ProsperUs auto converted my SGD to USD when buying. Then after I sold, it converted the money back to SGD. And because of this to and fro conversion, I lost a bit of money due to currency conversion. Later on, I realized that if I wanted to buy US stocks, I needed to transfer my SGD from my SGD sub-account to USD sub-account, then use my USD sub-account to buy stocks. That way, I will only convert my currency once. So if you are using ProsperUs, this is something important to take note of. Next, let's compare the features that ProsperUs have or don't have to other brokers. As you can see, ProsperUs doesn't have too many features yet, as they don't offer fractional shares, either interest nor recurring buy. But when it comes to options, they support a lot of option strategies, so that's nice. And oh yeah, they also have a sign-up reward, which I will talk about later. Now, let's take a quick look at the ProsperUs platform. For this, they offer the web, mobile, and desktop platforms, so they are super versatile. They have 3 types of applications, each catering to different investors. They have the build platform, looks a lot simpler and is suitable for long-term investors like you and me who just want to log in, buy stock, and pray that the stock will go up over the long term. But quick side note, those who have used Saxo before will find this UI super familiar. And no, it's not your imagination, because ProsperUs platform looks exactly like Saxo. Not too sure what's going on here. Next, the Boost platform looks slightly more advanced. Personally, I prefer the Boost platform just because they are making it easier for me to find and buy my stocks. And of course, because it's using the dark theme. And it looks similar to Saxo's platform again. Then finally, they have the Boost Plus platform, built just for expert traders. It has stuff like advanced trading tools, enhanced risk management tools. It even supports up to 6 monitors. Wholesale bro. And yes, it's similar to Saxo Trader Pro platform again. Okay, let's talk about some features that ProsperUs has, starting with the ProsperUs Rewards. So basically, whenever you trade with ProsperUs, you will earn some points. For every dollar of commission paid, you will earn 3 points. You can then use the points to redeem rewards. Though, as of this moment, the reward list is quite limited, as you only get to redeem some insurance coverage by snack. The second feature that I want to highlight is the customer support, which you can contact via email. For this, I'm super satisfied as they were able to answer all my queries within 1 working day. Alright, let's summarize this. Overall, ProsperUs is an easy to use platform, and they offer a wide variety of instruments and markets for you to trade. Though, unfortunately, for most of the products, their fees are not the best, with 2 exceptions. For the Singapore market, they are the cheapest if you're on the highest tier. And for the London market, they are the cheapest if you're on the top 2 tiers and are trading more than $9,000 worth of shares. I also like the fact that they are trying to be innovative with their rewards program, though there's nothing much there yet. And of course, their customer support, which is super responsive. Finally, let's talk about the sign-up reward. When you sign up with my link down below, you will earn 20 Singapore dollars worth of cash credit. Then, when you deposit 5,000 Singapore dollars, you will receive 1 free stock worth 26 US dollars plus another $20 cash credit. And finally, when you trade 3 times, you will earn another 2 free stocks. So in total, there's like $140 worth of sign-up rewards. Nice. Anyway, that's my review of ProsperUs. Hopefully, you find it useful. But if you have any questions, you can join my fast-growing Telegram group to ask any questions that you may have. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.